Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will want to show you my simple hair routine that I do to keep my hair moisturized and hydrated throughout the week. So I am going to be using some of my products. This is my leave-in conditioner, my hair butter that I made. I'm also going to be using my growth oil. Then I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner that I got from, this is by Nature's Gentle Touch. So I'm going to be using this along with my butter and my growth oil. So this is something I like to do to keep my hair hydrated, especially in this challenge. Like I told you guys, I'm going to be keeping my hair in this twist throughout uh, for the rest of the year, guys. I'm going to keep my hair in twist for the rest of the year. I'm going to wash my hair in this twist, do all my treatment in this twist, then take one down, retwist it, take one down and retwist, so I won't have to detangle my hair. I'm trying to avoid as much breakages as I can. That's the whole point of this. I'm trying to avoid as much breakages as I can, and then see if I can retain length and then grow some inches. That's the whole point of this challenge. So I went back on some of my old recipes, which is what I've been doing. I've been using some teas, some my growth oil, butters, just some of my old recipes, my old routine. So that's what I've been doing. So I'm using this leave-in conditioner because I wanted to put something with a little bit of water. So this is one way I try to introduce water to my hair if I don't want to use the tea. So yeah, this is something I do. So after my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go in with my growth butter. So I'm going to be applying this. I'm going to go through it line by line to make sure I have saturated my entire scalp with it. So now that I'm done applying to my hair, I'm going to just take this much, and go over my hair, and then kind of give my scalp a massage. Yeah. Yep. Then finally, I'm going to be going in with my oil. I'm going to go over it line by line as well. Don't forget your edges. Very important. Very, very important. Take this much. And apply all my strands. I feel like my edges are really growing. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have scanty edges, but I feel like it's growing. That's what I think though. And yeah, so that's it guys. Very simple, very easy. I'm just going to tuck my hair in and continue with my wig. So I wear wigs to work, so I'll just braid it down, keep it really like tight and flat, and then wear my wig. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, please don't forget to stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.